Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new bullish video on the crypto markets. We're going to do a full update. We'll talk about Bitcoin first, and some fundamentals, and then we will talk about some altcoins as well, because there are a lot of interesting altcoins. But before I wanted to do that, I quickly wanted to highlight what we have at Cilinix Crypto, which, if you don't know, I have my own Signal and Premium group. And if you're not interested in that, just skip ahead 30 seconds. I wanted to say 30 minutes. But we're doing extremely well with that. We made a ton of profit this week. And in general, we've been spot on with every analysis for basically this year. But we hit some major profits on Athena, for example. We caught this move up with Goat. We caught this move up with Flare. We bought Dogecoin right here after the breakout, which is up. Let's see what more we have. We bought Solana all the way down at 175. We bought Ethereum all the way down right here at 2,950. And proof for that, by the way, is also on my Twitter account if you want to check that out. But outside of that, we're also doing our first live stream on, tomorrow actually. So if you want to become a better trader, if you want actual education while also getting profitable trades, consider joining. Up to you. Now let's get into the video. But just wanted to let you know that that's out there. So Bitcoin right now, I think we're getting into dangerous territory. All right. What I said yesterday is that I expect higher highs. And what I said earlier this morning is that I am also still bullish on Bitcoin right here. But I'm getting a little bit more cautious. All right. Because like I said, like Bitcoin right now, it really needs to get a massive breakout if this is not going to be the top of the range. Because for the majority of the time, Bitcoin has just ranged in this level right here between 104,000 with an outlier and this level right here at 92,000. So what we need to do, basically, if the price is right here, is we need to get that breakout. And I'm not convinced that we're going to break out. I think the volume is good. Volume right now is $62 billion, but I think it's too low. And then also with the Trump inauguration in mind next week, Monday, I think there's a potential that that's going to be a sell the news effect. So I might say something weird here, but short term, I'm actually still bullish on Bitcoin. I think today, maybe into the weekend, we can still remain bullish right here. And even if Bitcoin is going to find resistance, I think the Bitcoin dominance can still move down. So then altcoins can still rally. So the market as a whole will do fine. But I'm not convinced yet that we're going to break out. And I will be truthful to you, I could be wrong about that. We could break out, and this could be the continuation of the bull market. And then I was wrong. If I'm wrong, I'll just adjust my bias and I will start longing things again. But for now, I think it's most likely that yes, on the short term, we will remain bullish, but that we will have some sort of a liquidity spike right here, and that we will also drop back down to 95, 94, and 92,000, the bottom of the range. You might not agree with me on that, and I might be wrong, I'll be honest, but that's what it looks like to me right now. There's not enough volume. The USDT dominance right here is at a massive support level, which is not going to break all at once. Dollar strength index actually still looking quite good, but the stock market's also opening with a bit of a pullback, and it's leaving behind a lot of gaps, which creates potential to fill those gaps, which would be bearish for Bitcoin. And then outside of that, the Coinbase Bitcoin price right now is at a premium. That's good. All right. That's one of the reasons why I expect short-term bullish momentum. But that has been in a discount for the majority of the last day as well. So very mixed signals. That in combination with the technical structure and the volume leads me to believe that short-term we can be bullish with Bitcoin, but that we will respect the resistance here and that will drop back down. Now for altcoins, like I said, because of the Bitcoin dominance and because I believe that the Bitcoin dominance actually still looks good to go down a bit and do something like this, down into the support, altcoins can actually still do well. And I personally also longed quite a lot of altcoins throughout this week, so I'm holding those obviously. Taking a look at some other altcoins, something that's interesting, I think, is Rune or Thor chain. Some of you might know that, but I think in general that actually put in a very nice bottom right here. As you can see, high time frame support, strong reaction, maybe with a retest. That's something to take into consideration. What more do we have? Yeah, Pendle is also quite strong. Pendle is a similar story. Good project, and it seems like it's actually bottoming out here. High time frame support. Good reclaim, might be something to consider entering if we actually do get that Bitcoin dominance that's dropping down. Outside of that, let's see, what do we have? It's actually a little bit fragmented. Gala, looking quite interesting. Hedera still has high volume. Litecoin still high volume. Athena still high volume. XRP is actually, to be fair, XRP is actually a little bit quiet here. But what I said this morning, in my opinion, is still true. I think this is not a bearish reversal. I think this is some sort of a pause before we actually move up higher. But same thing with this. I do think we're getting close to a local top before a bigger pullback. So be careful slightly. Be careful a little bit with XRP. For now, I'm still bullish. Same thing with Bitcoin. For now, I'm still bullish, but I think the resistance is actually quite near, both in price, but more in terms of time. What more do we have? Do we actually have something more? SPX as well. An alert just went off on that. That's a meme coin if you don't know. SPX looks quite good as well. I mean, it's putting in quite a lot of volume right here. Volume is actually up about 34%, and we're about to breach a massive resistance level, so that could be interesting. But that's it. Those are the main coins I'm focusing on for now. So if you do have any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments. I will try to keep you updated on the markets as well as I can, but for now, that's it. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.